Hello, I'm Patty Sabetti, and this is Against All Odds, where we make statistics count.
The basic vocab you will need to know for this lesson is probability experiment, outcome, sample space, and event. Probability experiment is an action or trial through which specific results are obtained. This can be through counts, measurements, or a response. Outcome is the result of a single trial in a probability experiment. Sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of a probability experiment. Event is a subset of the sample space. It may consist of one or more outcomes.
Let's come back to sample space for a moment. For our probability experiment, let's say you're tossing a coin and flipping a die. How can we determine the number of outcomes and identify the sample space? Here's how.
Here is a diagram of all of the possible outcomes from flipping a coin and rolling a six-sided die. Over here we have heads and over here we have tails. 1 through 6 on each side represents the 6 sides on a dice. If we take one of each on each side and put them together, we have 6 possible outcomes. Same over here, we take one of the tails and one of the sides of the dice and put them together, we got 6. For the sample space, you take all of the outcomes and put them together, which gives us 12.
Now let's talk about simple and non-simple events. We already know that an event is a subset of the sample space. So here's 2 examples. For quality control, you randomly select a shirt from a store that has been selling them all day. You only select one shirt in this process. Since you're only selecting one shirt, this means you have one outcome, making it a simple event. For our second example, you're rolling a 6-sided die and want to roll at least a 4. This means you still have 5 and 6, leaving you 3 different outcomes. Since there's more than one outcome, it is a non-simple event. Now let's talk about the fundamental counting principle. In some cases, an event can happen in so many ways that it's not practical to write all of the outcomes down. This is when you rely on the fundamental counting principle. Here's an example. One event can happen in M amount of ways, and a second event can happen in N amount of ways. The amount of ways for the events together would be M times N. Now here's another example. You're purchasing a new car. The possible manufacturers, car sizes, and colors are listed.
Here we have 3 manufacturers, 2 car sizes, and 4 colors. If we put that information in a diagram the same way we did for rolling a dice and flipping a coin, you take each type of manufacturer, put it with each type of car size, and the colors. All together, this gives you 24 outcomes.
Let's go into law of large number. As an experiment is repeated over and over, the empirical probability of an event approaches the theoretical or actual probability of an event.
The 3 types of probability are classical, empirical, and subjective. Classical or theoretical is used when each outcome in a sample space is equally likely to occur. Empirical or statistical probability is based on observations obtained from probability experiments. Subjective or intuitive are results from intuition, educated guesses, and estimates.
I'm Patty Sabetti, and I'm excited to be your guide for this series. Stay tuned.